A weather alert day has been issued.
I'm Cody Brock here with Grayson County Weather. This is what the radar is looking like right now. Spotty showers around the area. Showers are starting to fire up around the area right now. Let's take a look at Grayson County right now. We got a hard rain moving through Nada right now, as you can tell. That's around, let's pop up the road signs. That's 259 right there, heading towards Litchfield. And then right here is a Western Kentucky Parkway right there, around that area. So that's what it's looking like. That's the only shower we have right now. And then up around in Butler County, around Woodbury, you're getting hard rain as well. As we zoom out, this is what we're watching right here, is these severe storms up in Illinois right now. As you look north, Breckenridge, Meade, and Davies County is all under a severe thunderstorm watch that will expire. What time does that expire? I don't know what time this expires. Let me check and see what time that expires. I'm not real good with Zulu time. At 9 p.m. tonight. That will expire at 9 p.m. tonight. That's severe thunderstorm warning right there for Davies County, Hancock County, and Meade and Breckenridge County. That all expires at 9 p.m. tonight. So that's what it's looking like right now. But as we put this radar into motion, you can see all those storms are pushing northeast up towards Indiana right there. So let's take a look at the big picture as I transition to that. So this is what the big picture is looking like right now. So we zoom out. We're watching these line of storms from all the way from Jonesboro in Arkansas all the way up to Indiana right there, where we already have two severe thunderstorm warnings right there, and 3 right here in this area. Then we have some in Ohio, 3 in Ohio too, right there as well, and a couple in New York as well. 1 for Rochester. I have family that lives in Rochester. They used to live in Buffalo, and then they moved down here, then they moved back to New York. So that's what it's looking like right now as well. And then Texas, you have a severe thunderstorm warning down there. A couple of severe thunderstorms warnings down there as well. But that's what it's looking like around the area right now. Let's take a look at the weather cam right now. This is what the LaRue County EMS tower is looking like right now. Current time is 4:06 Eastern time. Traffic is looking a-okay on the Lincoln Parkway. I think that's Lincoln Parkway. I do not know. I need to figure that out. Yeah, it is the Lincoln Parkway. So, yeah. So right now, this is live look of LaRue County EMS tower in Hodgensville, and this is what the Lincoln Parkway traffic's moving a-okay on the Lincoln Parkway right now. As you can tell, you might see a little bit of sunshine, and that's not a good thing, because that's what will fuel these storms. Now I'm looking at my side of my window right now. It's like a little bit of sunshine. So let's take a look at the temperatures around the area right now. Woo! It's been hot today. 83 up in Harney County today. Breckenridge County, you're at 82. Grayson County, you're at 82. Butler County, you're at 82. Ohio County, you're at 81. And we're just getting ready to get a new update here in a second. If it will load. We'll come back to it. So this is a severe weather outlook for today. Parts of Breckenridge and Breckenridge, Meade, and half of Harding County are in a enhanced risk for severe weather. Okay, let me start over. So the counties in yellow, you're in a slight risk for severe weather. For the counties in orange, you're in an enhanced risk for severe weather. The tornado outlook, the probability of a tornado is 2 to 4% for our area. And that's for most of Kentucky right there. The main thing we might need to worry about is the wind probability of severe wind. 15 to 29%. Whenever you go up north, like to Breckenridge, Meade, Hardin, parts of Nelson County, and for the counties in red, you're in the 30 to 44% for chance of severe wind tonight. This is a hail outlook. We're in the Kentucky's in the 5 to 14% of severe hail. So that's what it's looking like right now for that. Let's take a look at your 4-day forecast. I did update it a little bit. Tomorrow, 30% chance of rain, then 20% chance of rain tomorrow night. 82 degrees is a high, 64 degrees is a low. For Thursday, there's a 70% chance of rain, there's 60% chance of rain that night. 80 degrees is a high, and 59 degrees is the low. For the Kentucky Oaks Derby, for the Kentucky Oaks race, for the Oaks 151, 50% chance of rain that day, and then 40% chance of rain that night. 74 degrees is the high, 51 degrees is low. Then for your Kentucky Derby 151, there is a 20% chance of rain Saturday, with a high around 67 degrees and a low of 44 degrees that night, and it's supposed to be mostly clear. So that's what the 4-day forecast is looking like for this week, and we're counting down to Derby. So that's what we're looking at right now. So what we're going to do is take a look at the National Weather Service weather slides and show you what it's saying about the storms tonight. Isolated non-severe storms this morning, is what they said. Hold on. Did these get updated? Let me check and see if these got... Well... Okay, they just got updated a while ago. Okay, so I just had to update the stuff. Okay. So, severe storms possible this evening. Main chance of severe storms this afternoon and evening. Damage and wind and hail are the main threats. Most likely timing is now through 10 p.m. Impact is damage and wind could cause structural damage and or tree damage. Lightning will be threatening outdoor activities. Heavy rain could cause brief localized flooding concerns. Strong storms possible Wednesday afternoon. Few strong and severe storms possible. Gusty winds would be the main threats. Best timing is 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. tomorrow. Impacts is lightning will threaten outdoors activity in some areas. Heavy rainfall could cause brief localized flooding concerns, mainly ponding of water on roadways. On roadways. Then Thursday is another, it's not an alert day yet because we don't issue a marginal risk for alert. We don't have alert days for marginal risk. If it's slighter or greater, then yeah, we'll have an alert day for that. But showers and storms are expected to deliver to our west and move into our area of a cold front Thursday. A few storms or severe storms, or strong or severe storms could gust with gusty winds and small hail are possible. Will likely come through multiple waves throughout the day. Gusty wind could cause loose outdoor items, likely tents and signage, to blow around. Lightning will threaten outdoor activities. Heavy rain could cause localized flooding concerns, including ponding of water on roadways. Know what the risk categories are. So, marginal risk, some storms could be capable of damaging winds and severe hail. Localized tornado threat could develop. Slight risk, increasing confidence of some storms will contain damaging wind, severe hail, and or tornado potential. Enhanced risk, high confidence that several storms will contain damaging wind, severe hail, and or tornadoes. Friday's non-severe weather outlook. This is Friday outlook, non-severe storms. But we're supposed to get this is total rainfall for today through Friday to 1 inch to 1.5 inch of rain for our area. Friday, scattered showers and thunderstorms, and temperature around 70 to 76 degrees that day. Then Run for the Roses on Saturday and Sunday. Mostly sunny, high near 65 to 70 degrees on Saturday. Then Sunday, high 66 to 72 degrees that day. And I think that is it of the weather slides. So running back down on everything right now. So chance of rain for the rest of the week. But 20% on Saturday, but that's what it's looking like around the area right now. And then the Kentucky Mesonet right now, 80s across the board right now. But let me take a look at the Moisture dew points. Dew points are around 60, right in the 60s right now, as you can tell right there. Let's see. Wind. Current wind, around 10 to 15 miles per hour, but let's see what the current wind gust is. Current wind gust is up to 19 miles per hour. So that's what it's looking like right now. We'll look at the soil temperature. So the soil temperature at 2 inches is at 76 degrees right now here in Grace County. 74 in Breckenridge right now as well. Let's throw on. This is solar radiation. I don't know what solar radiation is, but okay. Precipitation since midnight. This was nothing for our area. So I just want to look at some of that stuff. But that's what it's looking like around the area right now. For the temperatures and dew points and how much rain we got since midnight as well. So taking a look at the live, let's take a look at, give you one last look at the LaRue County EMS tower cam right now. So this is what the tower cam, and traffic's moving A-OK on the Lincoln Parkway right there. As you can see, there's a bus turning into to the school to head to the high school there at LaRue County. So that's what traffic's doing right now. But as we zoom out, this is what we're watching. Ooh. Tornado warning. There's a tornado warning up in Illinois right now. Let's see. National Weather Service has in Paducah issued a tornado warning for Wayne County in central Illinois until 3:45 Central Time. So that's for that area right there. So right now we just have a little bit of rain moving through the area of Grayson County right now, and some getting ready to move through out of Richardsville into Edison County through Brownsville. But I want to thank you all for tuning in here for Grayson County weather. I will be back live if a warning is issued for any parts of the area that I cover. So I cover Breck, Grayson, Hardin, Hart, LaRue, Edison, Butler, and Ohio County. Or I might cover other counties as well as needed. But I want to thank you all for tuning in here for Grayson County weather. Stay safe and please be weather aware. Know where your safe place is. And before I go, let's take a look. What's the difference between a watch, a warning, and an emergency? So a watch means conditions are favorable for development of severe storms and tornadoes. Stay weather aware. Make plans for actions. A warning. Tornado confirmed by a spotter or rotation detected on radar. Take immediate action to protect yourself. Do not wait for visual confirmation of a tornado. This will likely take time away from you seeking shelter. Emergency. Report of significant damage from a large tornado or radar indicated a strong or violent tornado debris ball or tornadic debris signature. Take immediate action to protect yourself. So that's the difference between a watch, warning, and emergencies. But I want to thank you all for tuning in here, and please be weather aware, and please have multiple ways to receive warnings. Broadcasting live from Big Clifty, Kentucky, I'm Cody Brock here with Grayson County Weather.